In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a base mesh with a merged vertex and skin modifier. We'll be using this base mesh throughout the tutorial series. This is the easiest method anyone can use to construct a humanoid base mesh, and we'll use this mesh to recreate the kicking pose seen above. Let's select the default mesh. Press Tab, and press Alt-M to merge at the center. We'll need to extrude this merged vertex. Let's press E to extrude like this. We can go back to the previous vertex and extrude to create the arm and leg on the other side. Let's add the skin modifier. Let's also add the subdivision surface modifier. We can select the verts and press Ctrl-A to either increase or decrease the size of the connected skin mesh. As you can see, my current subsurf modifier has the 6th level of subdivision and it's slowing the computer down. I'll show you what happens when we try to attach the mesh to the armature. Let's create a new armature. We can go to the edit mode by pressing Tab and extrude the bones. I'll compress the time here. It took me more than a minute. Let's create another mesh with the 3rd level of subdivision. I'll show you once again how fast we can create this base mesh. This time we'll merge the plane's vertices. Let's apply a new material. We can go to the pose mode after selecting the armature and start rotating the bones. We can always undo and reset what we've moved by pressing Alt-R. Alt-R resets the rotation, Alt-G resets the move, and Alt-S resets the scale while we're in the pose mode. Please rotate the bones like this and let's make the flying kick pose. If we only select the armature and duplicate, we'll only duplicate the armature. If we only select the mesh, this issue will occur. If we want to duplicate this whole set, we need to Shift-select both objects and Shift-D to duplicate. Again, Alt-R resets the rotation. We can reset the rotation of a single bone or press A to select everything and Alt-R to reset everything like this. Let's apply a different material and pose this mesh as well. This is the end of the base mesh creation and pose tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.